Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to set up Wix automated emails. Automations are the secret to running your business while you sleep, and these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you send professional, personalized messages to your customers at exactly the right time. First, you need to set up your automation flow. Head to your site dashboard, go to Automations, and choose to create a new one or edit an existing template. Make sure your action is set to send an email. Once the panel opens, look for the sender details section. It is vital to use your business name so customers recognize you instantly. For the reply to email, try to use an authenticated business address like you@yourbusiness.com rather than a generic Gmail or Yahoo account, as this keeps your messages out of the spam folder. You can even toggle on dynamic reply too, so that when you hit reply, the message goes directly to the specific person who triggered the automation. Next, we're going to make that email look amazing by editing the email template. Click Edit under the Email section to open the designer. Here, you can add your logo, change colors, and include images or videos that reflect your brand. The most powerful part of this step relates to personalized content. You can use the property picker to automatically insert the customer's name or specific details about their activity, like, "Hi David, we noticed you left something in your cart." This small touch significantly increases your engagement rate. Once you've perfected the design, use the preview and test feature to send the version to yourself and see exactly how it looks on mobile. The final connected step is selecting your email type, which determines how Wix handles your monthly email balance and unsubscribe rules. You have three choices: promotional for marketing content, business transactional for essential updates like shipping info, and business